Oh, this mat is fantastic. Now, this is great for any chair. The chair that I put it in, not as great as like maybe a gamer chair or even like one of those zero gravity chairs would be great. But I found just laying it on the floor, oh, fabulous, fabulous. So, but you can turn any chair into a massage chair with this massager by CILI. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. It's pretty cool. You've got heat and high, low and medium. You've got a bunch of different modes. You've got shoulder, back, lumbar, and legs. And then you also have a vibration, and it's almost like a thudding. It kind of feels like it kind of pulses a little bit. So I can feel it right here. It's got the massagers in it. It feels really amazing to lay down on. But you got low, medium, and high for the pulsing as well. And then not only that, but you've got this little pouch here where you can hold your remote control in and also your cords. So you can keep your cords and your remote control there. On the top of this thing, it's got a thing to go around the chair. So you can pull this as tight as you want to get this on the chair. And it even, this is just a rest up here, but it massages all the way up to the neck area right here, the shoulders and neck area. Really nice, really lovely. And it feels really great. You don't feel any of the like it's not uncomfortable to lay on. And it feels quite great on the floor, by the way. So this would work in a chair or a floor. One of those zero gravity chairs would be awesome. We used to have some zero gravity chairs for our porch, but they flew away because it's really windy here in Las Vegas. But yeah, so we had those chairs. They were great. This would be great in one of the zero gravity chairs. Fabulous, feels amazing just to lay back in, chill out, just like, oh, rest, watch a movie, and you've got your styling. It's like spa treatment at home. My favorite.